Buenas tardes, good afternoon. I hope the video is okay. Today I want to explain what to do with the magnets. You bought the magnets, you have them at home, and you don't understand the diagrams or the photos. So those are your new magnets, and they have a positive pole and a negative pole. They're both the same, so they both have a positive and a negative pole. When I draw you a drawing, you need to check up where the heart is. Where the heart is your left part. For 90% of the people, almost 99%, so if you don't receive any counter explanation by me, you are like 99% of the people. So for the majority of the people, the positive goes towards the skin on the left side, and the negative goes towards the skin on the right side. And you always have them for 15 minutes. And if you had chemotherapy, don't use the magnets without medical advice. I never recommend it. So I hope everything is clear. Let's do a checkup.